Hi, welcome to another session of Learning with ISRAR on ISRAR'S channel. Today we are going to talk about transportation management and logistics management, in which we will discuss the definition of transportation management, its key objectives, functions, modes, its integration with supply chain, and finally the tools we used in transportation management. Now let's start with defining the transportation management. Transportation management is a critical function within supply chain and logistics management that focuses on planning, execution, and optimization of the physical movement of the goods. It ensures that products are delivered to the right place at the right time in the right quality in the most cost effective and efficient manner. For a better understanding of transportation management, we can divide it into two components. First one is the managing of the movement of the goods using various transport modes like road, rail, air, and sea. Second component is coordinating all the related activities such as carrier selection, route optimization, freight auditing, tracking, and documentation. After defining and explaining the transportation management, now let's discuss its main objectives. The first objective of the transportation management is cost efficiency, in which we minimize transportation cost while maintaining service levels. The most important objective is delivering timely. So ensure on-time delivery to meet customers' satisfaction. Another very important objective of transportation management is visibility and control. So tracking shipments in real time and managing exceptions. Making sure the regulatory compliances are met. So ensure adherence to transportation laws and documentation standards. Sustainability is another very important objective of transportation management. So, where we optimize routes and modes to reduce environmental impact. After defining transportation management and its objectives, now let's talk about the functions of transportation management. The most important function of transportation management is carrier selection. Carrier selection is the rate negotiation with the transporters. Another very important function is route planning and optimization. Then freight auditing and making the payments to the transporters. Another very important function of transportation management is to track the shipment and make it visible. Performance analysis and reporting of for the transporters is another very important function in transportation management. Last but not the least is the risk management and making sure that every shipment is insured. Another very important aspect of transportation management is its integration with supply chain. So, for an effective transportation management, it should be closely integrated with the supply chain through procurement, which is basically inbound logistics, inventory and warehousing, order fulfillment and distribution, which is outbound logistics, and finally with the customer service. To perform these functions effectively and efficiently, we use the following tools. The main tool we use in transportation management is transportation management system. Then to manage fleet, we will use the fleet management system. Another very important tool we use the GPS tracking and telematics. In the modern transportation management, we use artificial intelligence and predictive analytics. As we have discussed, one of the major part of transportation management is the managing different transportation modes. So now let's discuss these modes. The first mode is road transportation, which is flexible and suitable for short distances. The next mode is railway, which is cost effective for bulk over long distances. Air transport is another mode which is fastest but most expensive. Sea is another mode of transportation which is ideal for international and heavy cargoes. Intermodal is another mode of transportation where we use more than one mode of transportation for efficiency in good transportation. We also use pipelines for as a mode of transportation for gas, for water, or for oil transportation. Internet is now another mode of transportation where we transfer the data or other digital products. After going through this discussion, we come to this conclusion that transportation management ensures timely, cost-effective, and efficient movement of goods, playing a vital role in supply chain and logistics success and customers' satisfaction.